Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to hide video from gallery on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, if you guys have a super duper private video that you want this video show up on your gallery, don't to be worried guys, because you can create another private album on your gallery so that it will not show up on the first page of your gallery. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first is now you can go to gallery on your cell phone like this, and then now you can choose the video that you want to hide, and then now you can click on three dots on the right bottom, and then now you can click add to album, and then now you can move it to private album, so that it will be removed from the first page of your album. And then now you can go to album if you want to look, and then scroll down like this, and it will heading to your private album. And so yeah, here's your video is safe. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.